So yeah, about today's trades, as I sent to you, we did not trade too much, and like every day, yeah, our trading was only limited to a uh, few stocks or indices. So the market was not really good today. It's been stuck. As you can see, this is the whole of today on the Nasdaq ETF. So sorry. So this is the mm, session to today. So it's not been too good. As you can see, it's very congested and a lot of sideways movements. Not too many good trades to trade. So my target, as I told you in the morning video, was to catch catch a few trades and make that 20% target for the week. So in that regard, I try to mostly trade within Nasdaq, Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, and IWM. So these are the few things I traded. So among the Nasdaq trades where the early first minute trade in this area where I managed to close it flat. It did not quite catch on. I thought, yeah, it might make an early rally, but yeah, did not quite do that. But I managed to close it flat. We did not lose anything on that. And then again, a follow up trade a few minutes, 2 minutes later. That too was closed almost flat, a little bit of profit, a few percent, 1 2%, because of this a lot of sideways movement uh, on the mm, on the ETF. Then I tried to trade Nvidia, which is where uh, I took this trade 4 minutes into the market. Around this point, I thought this breakdown might work. Then again, this happened. It did not quite go as planned. This too was closed at flat. Like yesterday, you remember, I tried to make not make any kind of losses. So as immediately as I could, I closed trades before it went into too much loss, if that was possible. Also, there is a obvious time delay of placing the trade and then execution by the exchange or the broker in this case. So that is 10 seconds or 15 seconds where movements can make us lose mm, some of the profits. So keeping that in mind, I also tried to catch the AMD put, which was again something that was uh, starting to take space at this point. Did not again try to close it as soon as I could, and only lost about 5%. Then there are a few Nasdaq trades. I made good profits in, again in this early period, an early period. The first of them were ninth minute or 10th minute into the market at this point. So we got some of this rally in two separate trades, one between here to here, and then it's pulling back, and then again from here to here. We closed that trade at sorry 45. So that is 44. So that is here. So this is where we close the trade. So again, in this follow up, we tried to catch it, but it not did not quite work, and we lost a bit of money on that. But yeah, with these kind of trades, these high short intricate movements, we got 2%, 3%, maybe 5% in some cases, and made some money on out of that. On IWM, we made a trade around uh, on a put IWM uh, about 45 30 minutes into the market. Sorry, 8:30. So at this point, when it broke down, we took the put and got out with about 10% also here. 8% actually we got out here. Uh, it's not something like that is huge, but 8% is on a 20K position is still $1,500. So I was looking at mostly the dollar value of each trade was being bringing on. Try to take $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 type of profits, and not make any losses. So the losses were not too much, more than $1,000. I don't think we lost any in any of the stock, any of the trades, and the profits were limited on that range as well. So a few losses here and there, and a few flat trades, but quite a few, like 7 or 8 good $1,000 trades to get the profit we got. Uh, yeah, uh, you can see this. This is not something that can be considered a good day for trading intraday. A lot of sideways movement. The bars are longer, but the body is not there. A lot of dojis, a lot of spinning tops. So these kind of things uh, happening on a market that is quite exhausted on the upside. This is an all-time high, close to an all-time high level. So the high is just above 410. It's around 410, 409.96. The top was created today. So this is a hard market to trade in Tesla as well. This has been pretty hard. The trends has not been. So this was the main period I was trading. The trends were not that good, and at a later stage, about 50 minutes into the market, we took a trade in this area, which obviously worked only for few minutes, then reversed, and we also reversed with that, with whatever it is that we could get out with. So obviously we did not get out at this exact low. We might have gotten out uh, in this bar, I think. No, in this bar we got out 53. No, this bar. So this bar exactly we got out. So which means how low my risk uh, tolerance today was. So as soon as I saw a green bar, and I tried to close it, I tried to get out, not take any losses. That was the main idea behind the trading objective. So yeah, it was a good day, even with the some lag due to the uh, platform not being that good, uh, and it was especially I think slow today rather than any other day. There was some lag on the platform as well, but yeah, all in all, it was a good day. $5,000 is not bad too bad on for a day's work. On the week we have made 4 good days, four and one bad day. Overall, getting to 21% for the week, as I sent to you. but the objective is to catch how much possible in these movements, and then get out as soon as we can, uh, and not like take profitable positions into losses, or flat position into losses, or tolerate losses for a longer period for the opportunity to go higher. We don't want to get it sucked into the hope, because the market is not like that right now. If this was a certain like bullish, or a market that could go higher for a longer time, we could have left those positions running and make some money. And because I'm only working there for in the market for the early 1 hour, 1.5 hour, uh, it's even more difficult for us to stay in these positions for long term, because the stock, even if we are in the a flat zone on the stock or the ETF, the options are going to lose value over time. So we don't want to do that at all. So that's the main objective, I think. And I know it's not a very good position, but that's how most scalpers do on a bad these kind of days. In scenarios that are different to this, we might also, like I said, we need to make adjustments. We need to alter our way of trading. But for now, uh, I think the short, very narrow mindset about losses is the way to go. Yeah, in any case, let me know what you think about this, and if adjustments are necessary, you think are appropriate, we will make them. But I think, yeah, we will try to do the same when we come back to this on Tuesday. And I think the markets is going to continue. Markets are going to continue in that same vein for the rest of the year. It's not going to lose too much, I don't think, because of the obvious support that is coming from the dollar side, the market side, the data side. So everything is supporting a little bit, giving a little bit of support to the stocks, but they are at a range that is not being able to break above to higher, because obviously in the long terms the stocks are kind of overbought.